Hello everyone, I'm Deborah. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, you guys, I am going to continue my journey for sweets and treats for the month of December. It is holiday season, you guys, and a lot of us are entertaining. So recently, I put together a charcuterie board, you guys. It was absolutely phenomenal. If you've not yet seen that video, I'll leave it up right there in the link above. But the thing about that, you guys, is everything on it was cold. So today we are going to make a hot appetizer using this zucchini. So if you want to learn how, stay with me and I'll show you how coming up next. All right, you guys, welcome back. So let's get right into making this. Very, very simple. Okay, I'm going to cut this in half. Cut this in half again. And then I'm going to cut them into the size pieces that I want. Not too small and obviously not too thick either. Okay, everyone, I'm thinking based on the size of this zucchini, maybe 4 pieces out of each one. Okay, that looks good. All right, and I'm going to continue on and cut them all. All right, everyone, so these have been cut, and in all actuality, there were a couple that looked to be just a little bit too thick for me, and I went ahead and I cut those down to the size that I wanted. So let's go ahead and set these aside. Now, this is our breading station. So in one of these containers, I'm going to put egg, and I'm going to whisk that. Okay. And then in this container, I am going to put my keto-friendly breadcrumbs. Now, if you guys have not yet seen the video on that, I will leave that in the card above as well. But here they are. Let's kind of put some of that in here. And you guys, they smell so good because this bread is fresh. And then I am going to follow up with some Parmesan cheese. Now, the Parmesan cheese that I purchased was shredded. So what I did is I put it in my NutriBullet and I gave it a grind. And here we have it. We've got some grated Parmesan cheese. So go ahead and sprinkle some of that in here. And this is going to give these breadcrumbs a really nice flavor. I'm going to go ahead and give this a mix. And because these breadcrumbs are unseasoned, you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of salt in here. But just be careful because obviously cheese, well, this cheese has salt in it. So be careful with the salt because we can always add or sprinkle some salt on these after they have fried. And you guys, our breading station is ready. Okay. So this is a pan that I am going to put them on after I bread them. And then after I bread them, then we're going to go on over to the stove where we are going to fry them. All right. Okay, I'm not going to be shy with it. I'm just going to toss them in and coat them with this egg wash. And what this will do is it will help these breadcrumbs stick to the zucchini. Okay, go ahead and put some more of these in. Let's go ahead and give these a nice coating. And you guys, I think we have ourselves a winner here. Just take these off and put these on this pan, and then after that we'll be going over to the stove to fry these up. Okay, everyone, we are ready to go on over to the stove to fry some zucchini. Okay, everyone, let's go ahead and test this oil. Oh yeah, it is ready. And we're going to put these zucchini strips in here. And we are going to cook them until they are a golden brown. All right, you guys, it's looking like these are about ready to come out. They are a really nice color, and they smell absolutely amazing. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yes. And put them on a paper towel so the oil can drain. And I will cook up the next batch. Okay, you guys, the second batch of these are out of the pan. We set these aside. The reason why I'm setting these aside is because I've already sprinkled some more Parmesan cheese on them while they were still hot, and I'm gonna do the same thing with these. And then at that point, you guys, it will be time to give these a taste. All right, you guys, it's time to give these a taste. They look amazing. They smell amazing. Wow, you guys. Lord, I thank you. You guys, this is the perfect quick appetizer. It's got the perfect flavor with the homemade breadcrumbs and that Parmesan cheese. Just the right amount of crunch, and these are tender on the inside. Wow. And you can eat them alone just as I just did, or I've got some marinara sauce here, or you can make a homemade ranch. Phenomenal, you guys. We have got to give these a try. And when you do, let everyone know just how easy and delicious these actually are. And by the way, you guys, I cooked these in avocado oil. I don't believe I mentioned that, but I cooked these in avocado oil. And another thing, I didn't have as much avocado oil as I thought I did, which accounts for the reason why I use such a small fry pan. That's real life, you guys. So I had to make do because I wanted to move forward and make these. So again, avocado oil, and I will leave in the description where I purchased it from, which was Amazon. But guys, this is it. And oh, by the way, the marinara sauce, I got this from Thrive Market. So this is it, you guys. Please do enjoy. Please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And if you've not yet done so, please press that subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. Would love to have you along for my YouTube journey where I'm finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto, you guys. And remember, it is a great day. You make it your own kind of special by making delicious recipes such as this. And you guys, until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you guys real soon on the next I've Got Something to Say too. Bon appetit.